Chicken soup is a classic comfort food that is perfect for a cold winter day or when you're feeling under the weather. It's a simple dish that can be made with just a few ingredients, but the end result is a delicious and nourishing meal. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, 8 cups of water, 1 onion chopped, 3 carrots chopped, 3 celery stalks chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried sage, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of egg noodles or rice optional. Instructions: 1. In a large pot, add the whole chicken and cover with 8 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and let simmer for 1 hour. Skim off any foam or impurities that may rise to the surface. 2. Remove the chicken from the pot and let it cool. Once cooled, shred the chicken using your hands or a fork and set aside. 3. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, carrots, celery, and garlic. Saute for 5–7 minutes until the vegetables are slightly softened. 4. Add the shredded chicken back into the pot, along with the dried thyme, sage, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir to combine. 5. Optional: if you want to add noodles or rice to your soup, now is the time to do so. Add 1 cup of egg noodles or rice to the pot and let it cook for another 10–15 minutes until the noodles or rice are tender. 6. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade chicken soup. You can also store it in the fridge for a few days or freeze it for later use. 1. Classic chicken noodle soup. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, about 3–4 pounds, 8 cups chicken broth, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 cup egg noodles, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish optional. Instructions: 1. In a large pot, bring the chicken broth to a boil. 2. Add the whole chicken to the pot and let it cook for about 30 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. 3. Remove the chicken from the pot and let it cool. Once cool, shred the chicken meat and set aside. 4. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Let it cook for about 5 minutes until they are softened. 5. Add the shredded chicken back into the pot with the vegetables. 6. Pour in the egg noodles and dried thyme. Let it cook for about 10 minutes until the noodles are fully cooked. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 8. Serve hot and garnish with fresh parsley, if desired. 2. Creamy chicken and vegetable soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons butter, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 cup frozen corn, 1 cup frozen peas, 1 cup chopped cooked chicken, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish optional.